Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with the essentials. Make sure the YouTube app and your device OS are up to date because outdated software often breaks streaming. Once done, verify your network. Strong Wi-Fi or cellular with no data cap prevents partial loads. Then force close the app, clear its cache, and restart the phone so temporary files don't interfere. This resets connections and often resolves the issue immediately. If you haven't, sign back into your account to reinitialize settings. Now focus on connection and account layers. Switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa to see if the problem is network-specific, because throttling or DNS issues can block shorts. Once you identify it, reset network settings or toggle airplane mode to get a fresh IP and clear routing hangs. Make sure to log out of YouTube, remove the account, and re-add it so permissions and personalized caches rebuild. This fixes corrupted session data. For final steps, uninstall and reinstall YouTube to eliminate app corruption. Alternatively, install the beta to test a newer build because some releases fix shorts glitches. Check background data restrictions and battery optimization settings so the app can preload content. If it still fails, try another device or browser to determine if it's account versus device specific. Troubleshooting tip: if nothing works, report the issue in the app with logs attached so YouTube support can trace server or account problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.